Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for November. Ipsy is a monthly subscription, makeup subscription. It's $12 a month, and you get 5 sample products. A lot of times you get 1 or 2 full size in there as well, and you always get a makeup bag. So this is a really pretty green, sort of festive holiday velvety makeup bag. You do get this card in every one, and this one kind of tells you about their gift cards. Royal treatment for November, that's the theme, and here's the stuff inside, but I'm gonna put that aside so that I can be surprised by my when I look at the items. So the first one we have here is H2O Hydra Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. I've had this before. It worked fine. I liked it. It was just a gel moisturizer. The next thing is Brow Power from Universal Brow Pencil. I am skeptical about Universal Brow Pencil, about a shade that's universal, but I'll try it and see. I have really dark eyebrow hairs. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's this sort of, it's this color here. So it's sort of a taupey brown. Honestly, I could wear this color. So I was skeptical at first. Universal Taupe is what it's called. So yeah, it's a taupey color. So, okay, I can use taupe. I don't know if there's other colors that come in this line, but Universal Taupe is a color I can wear. So there you go. And then we have this little teeny tiny concealer sample from Pure, which I'll definitely use. I like Pure. Then we have an eye luster cream. This could be a sample size, but this is quite a lot of cream. This will last several months because for eye cream, you know, you just use like a little dab, and this will go a long way, even if that is a sample size. I don't know if it is or not. And then we get Rainforest of the Sea Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser, which I'm almost out of makeup remover. This is a tiny amount, but I'll use it until I buy a new, bigger one. So, what do I think of today's bag? I mean, this is such a tiny bit of concealer, even though, like, I mean, a little bit of concealer goes a long way too. This I'm happy with. Like, this will last a long time. This will last, I don't know, like maybe a month. I have no idea. And then this is not gonna last very long, honestly. The brow pencil is full size, so that's nice. And the bag was really pretty. So, you know, I like what I got this month. I'm not super excited, but I like it. And for $12, I'm happy with it. So, what did you think? What did you get in your Ipsy? Or are you thinking about Ipsy? Do you have questions? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.